So had a little bit of fun on that last ride on the e-bike there, and got my first flat tire, and probably my first flat tire on the road on a bicycle period, and the first one flat tire on an e-bike. Okay, as luck would have it, I have my first flat tire on the e-bike with a hub motor. It adds a little more complexity to the problem for sure. And so what I wanted to show you while we were here is a little tricky to get out, and plus you need wrenches to take it off. None of the dual tools will work. Where's this thingy? So what I wanted to show you here is on this connector. Hopefully you can see the arrow there. And then over here on the hub motor, there is also an arrow. Look at all those pins. We haven't tried plugging them back together yet, but that's going to be a lot of pins to get lined up. Hopefully all goes well. Yeah, and I just have stopped for coffee and it is flat as can be. So, wish me luck getting to our first tire patch. Well, I have to say this tire wasn't bad for taking off. I don't have a tripod, so I can't really film myself doing this very well. But I just about got it off with my fingers. And then basically I got the one tire spoon in. And I just put the next one in beside it and just like pulled it. And then I had it off enough that it just about came off, no problem. So anyway, thought I would update you. And these little wrench tire spoons, these are great, and you can't see, but they also double as this little, they also double as a little tool like this. It's supposed to, like pliers. And then there's a magnet here, and you can put your spare link in there. I thought they were supposed to stick together. That magnet also kind of helps them stay together. Cool. There. Got it on by hand. Probably going to finish it with one hand. Nice, eh? Pop the tube on the last little bit by hand. That's pretty sweet. Okay, so I noticed another thing here. I don't know if you can see. There's a notch. There is a notch right there, and then on the opposite side of the tire there's another notch. Guess that'll have to line up in the groove in the back frame there. Okay, a little bit more fun here. This didn't want to drop in so well because of this thing, so I just got a little 11mm wrench, and then it's easy enough to give that a turn. And then the wheel could drop in. Looks like we got it now. And the other thing I did was I put some pads here underneath the handlebars to keep my display and stuff off the ground a little better. A little more. If I didn't say that out loud, that is a 10mm wrench. There, got it back together. I guess we should make sure that it works. I guess I got the connector back together, right? Awesome. So, hope you enjoyed this video. I didn't totally show how to do it, but a little pieces of changing the tire on a hub drive e-bike. Hard to believe how such a little piece of wire could put a hole in that tire. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.